Replacing your Jeep Compass key fob battery is a simple DIY task. For 2018-2021 models, you'll need a CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver, or plastic pry tool. These batteries typically last 1 to 3 years. First, locate the emergency key slot on the back of the fob. Use the screwdriver or pry tool to gently separate the two halves of the plastic casing, starting at the key slot. Be careful with the rubber gasket for weatherproofing. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery held in place. Carefully lift it out without touching the contacts. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side up. Ensure it's seated properly. Snap the fob halves back together, pressing firmly. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your vehicle. If issues persist, reprogram the fob via the Jeep's infotainment system using your owner's manual. Remember to work in a static-free environment and use plastic tools to prevent damage. If damaged, a dealership offers replacements for $50–100.